unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Sneezing around someone may simply be a natural reflex, not necessarily an unconscious sign of comfort. While some people might feel more at ease displaying involuntary actions like sneezing in familiar settings, this can vary greatly among individuals. It's best not to overinterpret such behaviors and instead focus on more evident signs of comfort like open body language and relaxed conversation.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.